What's that behind me? That's a park model. What? What's a park model? Hi, I'm David with Nomadic RV Living, and in today's video I'm going to show you some actual park models. They look like tiny homes, but they're technically RVs, and they're not very common. You don't hear about them a lot, but I'm looking at some, so let's go take a look. Let's go take a look at this one. Alright, here's the interior of a park model. The lights aren't on. I should turn the lights on. There's the kitchen. That's the loft up there. A lot of these have lofts, which I like for storage. Kitchen. There's a kitchen view. This one has an upgraded sink and an upgraded stove. There's the little living area. This one has an upgraded refrigerator. Walk back here, and there's an area for washer and dryer. Turn the light on in here. Sink, toilet, of course. This is what they call a standard tub. I'll show you a upgraded shower stall in a minute. Now this is the bedroom, which I'm going to explain. If you have a loft above your bedroom, the ceiling is only about 6.5 feet. So it's kind of claustrophobic. Turn around. There's one of the air conditioning units. These sliding doors are usually an upgrade, but a lot better than the typical bifolding doors. Let me show you what a loft looks like. This has been used a while. There's some stairs. This one has a split loft, so there's a loft on the left hand side and the right hand side. Again, when you have a loft over the bedroom, you have a very low ceiling versus a pitched ceiling that's high. Okay, here is the loft on one side. Again, the ceiling heights are only probably about 4 feet maybe, but you can put beds up here, used for storage. Turn around here. Here's another view of the other side. Again, this is called split loft. The windows up here. This one is currently listed at $62,000, normally $66,000. The base model is $56,000, so there's upgrades. Like I said, there's a stove, refrigerator, sink is an upgrade, the doors in the bedroom. And this one, there's the other air conditioning unit up there as well. Let's look at another one. This is another model. And I'll tell you the reason why I don't like this one, and this is something to consider when looking at park models, is the view. Now, depending on your view, like if your view is that way on your lot, then you don't have much of a view. All you have is your kitchen. You have very few windows in this unit looking out. If you don't have a view, or you don't want to see your neighbors, depending on your lot configuration, then this may be a good model for you. But I don't like it just because of my view. I want a lot of windows on the front side. And here's a loft up there. We're not going to go up there, but you can see that's again, that's above the bedroom. And bathroom, that's again the standard shower. I'll show you an upgraded shower in a minute. Those are the upgraded rolling doors. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, just to give you an idea what the back side of these look like depending on the model. Now this brand Gree, I've never heard of it. I know another manufacturer I looked at yesterday in Mansfield, Texas. They had Carrier, so probably a little better quality. There's the back side of the first one we saw. Here's a pretty cool looking one with an extra deck on top. We're gonna go look inside that one here in a second. Here's a pretty plain Jane one, not too fancy. A lot of these park models, they come with different size decks, some none. You can kind of customize them from 4 feet to usually 10 feet. That looks, I don't know what that's, probably a 4, maybe it's a 6 footer. This one's definitely 10 foot. This one with the stairs going up. This one I kind of like. Obviously this furniture is model furniture. I don't like that color, but this one I like. It has a lot of windows. And again, a lot of these you can customize them. Certain locations I cut off that L-shaped if you didn't like it. Eliminate that back there if you didn't like that. There's a loft. It's a partial loft, I think. No, I don't know. Let's see. Anyway, let's go back here. This one actually has a dishwasher. A lot of them don't. It's an upgrade. That's generally a standard sink, and that's an upgraded stove and microwave and upgraded refrigerator. Here's a view facing the front. Well, here's the upgraded kit. Here's the upgraded bed. This is a really there's another one I hope I can show you. This is really the upgraded one with a walk-in type shower. Again, a lot of them have washer and dryer stackable connections. I know these are upgraded doors. Again, this is, yeah, I want to show you one that has a bedroom without a loft. I'm not going to show you. That's essentially a split loft. Again, there's a loft to the left and to the right. Some of these usually have just had one loft, but if you want extra storage, extra sleeping space, that's an option for you. This one is very unusual. Let's go take a look at this one. All right, the reason why this one is very unusual, it's a 2-bedroom, which is strange. It's got some kind of Murphy bed. I haven't seen one of these yet. And here's the living area. Plenty of windows. Again, you want to determine your view of your lot. What you like, what you don't like. There's the AC unit. That's an upgraded sink. Okay, here's an upgraded shower. You have a choice of a tub, or this is the upgrade, and then the one we just saw with the actual walk-in is even more of an upgrade. And this one's kind of, I guess, in again, here's a low ceiling. This one is just a 1-level loft. I'll go up there and take a look at it. There we go. This one actually has some cabinetry in it. But again, it's large enough. Put a bed up here. Use it for storage. There's the other AC unit up here. Here's a unit. It's a non-lofted unit. So I kind of wanted to show you what the bedroom looks like back there. Again, here's what this one looks like. Air conditioner. This one has a ceiling fan. Front porch. Windows. Usually you have a choice of flooring, vinyl flooring. Now let's go walk in the back. Kitchen. It's a standard sink. These are probably upgraded cabinets would be my guess, but not sure. Washer and dryer, bathroom, let's see. There's a standard, no, that's the upgraded one. Let's go look at the bedroom. Okay, this one's a little bigger, but okay, here's the difference. You've got a vaulted ceiling, so it feels much more spacious than the other ones that have a loft. Oh, and here's here's an example of bifolding. Those are standard. The sliding pocket, the sliding doors are extra. These come with pocket doors as well. This just has such a has a lot more open feel to it. This one has a little bay window on the back, which is kind of nice. Haven't seen that yet. I kind of like this one. It has a little upgraded ceiling package. Air conditioning unit. There's the loft stairs. This one actually has a built-in fake fireplace, gas fireplace. And that's the upgraded sink. Oh, a lot of these, oh, another thing I just remembered was a lot of these units, standard is like a 2-inch backsplash, and to upgrade, to get the, that's an upgraded back splash cabinetry. Again, here's the ceiling. So. And this is a typical layout. Again, these are the upgraded doors versus the bifolding doors. We'll go check out this loft. So we're here. This one's gonna be pretty big. It's big. There's looking down. Let's go check out that one. This one has it's kind of a sloped roof. It's just I don't know what you call that, but and I do know that is an upgraded ceiling. Again, I know those are upgraded. I wouldn't, well, yeah, they're upgraded stoves. Ones I looked at yesterday were standard stoves. I know these are extra. Upgraded sink. Washer dryer. Again, you start to see some consistency. Now this one has a sloped roof, so this is kind of roomy. Air conditioner, bed lights. This one's kind of cool. Here's a look at the sliding doors. There's the upgraded shower. Built-ins. Again, a lot of these, I wouldn't say a lot, but some of the manufacturers you can make changes. Like if you didn't want that there, you could have them remove that and put in a couple windows. That's probably what I would do on this model, unless you really wanted an entertainment system if you watch TV. And this has the Loft. It's a lot like the one I think we just saw. Let's go take a quick peek. This one's a little different. Okay. Now this model is very open. I do like that about that. You've got a lot of windows over here. You've got the loft windows up there, so it's very open feel. Again, standard tub, not an upgrade. Here's the bedroom. A little different, just one closet and then a larger dresser type situation. Look, this is the ceiling right here. So, if you're really tall, definitely don't get one with a loft above the bedroom. We're going to check out this loft just because it's different. We're in. In fact, I'm going to turn around without hitting my head. Okay. So you could put like a little twin beds there, twin bed there for kids. Where I'm sitting, there's plenty of room for a queen size bed storage, but this one has a very open feel. And here's just a view from out, I don't see it outside the window. Some of the ones we just saw, like that one over there that had the slanted roof. So which park model should I buy? Well, I don't know yet. A lot of choices, a lot of decisions. And stay tuned to this channel for more videos on a park model that I may buy. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe below and join me on this journey. Thanks for watching.